Hey guys, welcome to the Code Mat. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe. We solve a lot of competitive problems. Today's problem is short colors. What problem says is given an array with n objects, color red, white or blue, sort them in place so that objects of the same color are adjacent with the colors in a order red, white and blue. Here we will use integers 0, 1 and 2 to represent the color red, white and blue respectively. Note, you are not supposed to use a library sort function for this problem. So what problem says is we have a given three different colors and we have denoted that colors as 0, 1, 2 and we need to sort that colors. So ultimately we would like to do a sorting on this given input array, okay, so that all the same color will be near to each other. Okay, now from the example it looks to be like if we will apply a counting sort, then we can achieve this because we do have only three types of colors. So what we can do here is we can do a counting of any of the two digit, and then we can fill the array in the result. Okay, now let's understand this on the whiteboard. So we have this input array. So we will first calculate the number of ones and twos, let's say. Okay, so in this array we will iterate it over and we'll calculate how many ones we have, and same way we will calculate how many twos we have. Okay, and then based on, let's say we have number of ones is equal to 3 here and 2 is equal to 2. So what we will do here is we will fill uh, 3 times 1 and 2 times 2. Okay, and remaining all we will fill with a 0. So 2. Okay, so let's say if we will define variable x for this and y for this, then this length of this is going to be your x and this is going to be y, and this is going to be, let's say if total is n. Okay, so this is going to be n minus x plus y. Okay, so for this range we will fill with 0. From once we will fill this with 0, the next range is this 3 we need to fill with a 1. So for after this range we can do this way, like if it is still less than n minus y. If it is still n minus y, less than n minus y is there, for those all ranges we will fill with 1. In remaining all the ranges we will fill with 2, 2. So now let's write a code for this. Alright, now let's first define our variable x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0. So this two variables is used to count number of ones and 2. And then let's define n, which is going to be numbers total length. Okay, now let's first count the number integer num. Okay, if your num is equal to 1, then we will do x plus plus. Num is equal to 2, then in that case we will do y plus plus. Okay, so we have calculated x and y, number of ones and number of twos. Now let's iterate it integer from I to 0, 0 to length, and let's fill the array. Okay, now if so for this range n minus x plus y we would like to fill with the zeros. Okay, so let's go back, n minus x plus y. If your I is less than that, then nums of I we want to be 0. Okay, same way if for next range which is less than n minus y, then fill with 1. For rest of the cases, this is going to be else. For rest of the cases, I would like to fill with 2. Now let's run it. Alright, so this is what the input array, this is sorted array, and this is expected array. Now let's submit it. Okay, it got submitted. Here, time complexity of this problem is off, and because we are iterating once here as well as here, and space complexity is going to be constant because we are not using extra space. So that's it in this video. Hope you like it. Please add comments if you have a different approach or you are looking for a solution for a different problem. Thank you guys.